Alright, so we're off to a good start here, guys. The headlight is a little bit broken, so it just stays on. Even though, if you look in the inside here, that it's off. So, yeah. Alright. Uh-oh. You see, what it's doing is it's just giving us a little light show right now with the headlight. When you turn the key, it like does a little flicker, boy. But this is it. It's 2003 Ford Focus with the Z-Tech. What y'all know about that V-Tech now? We got Z-Tech, even better. Yeah, it's an 03 Ford Focus, the 2-liter, right, Dan? All right, Dan, what do we got here today?
We got a 2003 Ford Focus SE. We've got some kind of engine in it, and the good boy over here. Oh, we got no traction.
That's okay, boys. We're gonna make our way through. Oh, dude, I don't even know how high we're revving right now. You don't need a tachometer. Oh. Alright, here we go. We're going through the Saga test track here.
Oh yeah, I definitely miss the Saga.
Yep, looks like it to me, dude.
She's got no traction.
No, eh? Oh, getting some handbrake turns in here.
Doing some slidey boy action over here.
Yep, look at that e-brake action. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, that's right.
Oh yeah,
yeah, here we go. We're coming through the finish line right here, like you finish at a rally sports stage, you know, and he's gonna do a turnaround right now.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, Dan, keep going. Back it up. Yeah, we got a little bit stuck, so keep going, you're good. Faster, yeah, you're good. Go. Oh, you're good, keep going. Yeah, good.
There?
No, dude, keep going. Keep going. Oh, what the? Oh, fuck. Ooh.
Put it there?
Yeah, I don't know, dude. I might have just planted that before you back up.
Just make sure it's not damaged or anything.
Yeah, better pull it forward, dude. Uh-oh. Here, let me give it a push. Oh, yeah. Nah, dude, it's mint. Better test that steering there, boy.
They're good tires.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Watch the tree. No, you care about the paint, Daniel, so
Oh, yeah.
gotta watch it.
So originally we were gonna restore this car, but like, this is so much more fun.
Yeah. This was the original plan, like I said.
Slidey boy.
Yeah, I don't know whose Hyundai Accent that is either.
No idea.
Oh shit, it slides good, Dan.
She slides pretty good.
Yeah, here, just get out this middle portion here. Here, slide it here. Ooh, yes. Daniel's about to show us his version of a drift tap. These drifters don't even know about front wheel drive Focuses. Here we go. Ooh, yup. Oh! He drift tapped the front because it's front wheel drive, rear wheel drive in reverse, you know? Alright, Dan, I don't know, give it more gas, redline it maybe? Oh, there you go, I knew it would get traction. Ford's never let me down. Oh, a little bit of smoke out the back, but she's mint. Daniel's gonna show us a drift tap. Oh, yeah, that's a drift tap.
Oh, that was... it didn't do anything.
No.
Oh, a little dent.
So...
Let me see if I can get the back to hit it.
Ah, shit.
Let's drift tap this thing good. This one's gonna be a good one.
Ooh, Dan. Ooh. Good. Nice.
Fuck, did I hit that truck?
Oh, shit. Dented. Oh, the scratch. Look at this. Nice. Let's check out the truck.
Shit.
You might have to swap insurance, dude.
Where'd I get it?
Right there.
Fuck him. That didn't even do anything. It's a small dent.
Small, dude. Alright, Dan, you gotta go back quite a bit, eh? You got a lot of room. You gotta maneuver your way out of this. Alright, keep going. You're good, you're good, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah, keep going. Turn a little bit. Oh, no, Dan!
Oh.
Dan, back up. He's good. He's just gonna back up. Watch, there's a truck here. I don't know if he can hear me, though. Oh, watch the truck stop! Ooh.
Did I hit him?
Yeah, you might have.
Where?
I don't know, dude. Looks like you might have cracked his taillight. Check it out on the other side here.
Cossier, eh?
Yeah, dude, Cossier.
Pull out of here.
Yeah, pull out and let's check out the damage. Oh. Ooh, dude. Yeah.
Ooh.
Nice. All right, back her up. I think you're good, dude.
Same.
Oh.
I think I'm good.
I think that. Oh. You're good. You're good.
Let me just make sure that wasn't my car.
Ooh, hold on. Let me open the doors here. Oh shit.
No, I'm good.
Oh yeah.
She took it good. Look, she got a nice little wet sand.
Ooh.
What happened to this car?
Let's go check it out. Dude,
I mean,
you fix it.
fuck, you don't even need insurance.
Nah, dude.
Why would you go through insurance? Dude, car's fine.
Yo, you know when somebody parks too close to you inside of a parking lot and you just...
I fucking hate when people do that. You know what I do?
Yeah, this is how you fix that. That's it. Ooh. Nah, dude, I don't think you can get out yet. I think you need to do it again. That's it.
Oh yeah.
I think that did it, dude.
How's it looking?
Looks good, dude.
Could you imagine if you actually fucking did that?
Ooh.
Seems like a good idea. We're gonna floor it and see how far we can get through here.
Alright.
You got a seatbelt on?
Yep, no. I don't fucking need
one.
No, dude, you don't. Seatbelts are for myths.
Alright,
Here we go. Let's give her some beans, boy. Watch the Dakota on your way in again, eh?
Sure, I won't need it.
Watch it. Ooh! Watch the trees also on your way in here. Oh, yeah, we're
We're going good.
good.
Oh, that's water, that's water.
You're gonna hydrolock the motor.
I think we got stuck in the water.
Smells like shit, dude. Might have to get the tractor here, dude.
The real question is, this is smoke from the engine or?
Yeah, dude. Motor would make it stinky. Hold on. Let's get out and examine the situation here. Oh! Oh!